So this one is we call stage 1. So we're going to make a little bit more trim it, those area, and then we put it back to temporary cylinder and then all engage it together so one by one so we can deliver it to the dentist. So dentist try in the patient's mouth and also they can try the wax try and then we can make the another one. Same company, John Mac. Did not get any sponsorship, but we're using the soft tissue, which is I like. Alright.
Hold for a second. Nice job. Now everybody asking the Gingival.
So this one is we call stage 1, and after probe the model carefully. Okay, this one is I like it whenever doctor did it with a verification jig inside, and then we made another tissue model. So we're going to make a little bit more trim it, those area, and then we put it back to temporary cylinder and then all engage it together so one by one, like here. And then you can screw down. Our verification technique, you can see another probably patron channel I fabricated. So after we put all this screw down all the way, and we're going to using the Liqueur gel. You can use the custom, any kind of a custom, you can make the custom tray materials, which is Liqueur. That's fine. You can make it a little more thicker as possible. Do not touching the panic. And then Liqueur, about 30 minutes. Okay. Then I have to trim it, so verification will be done. We call stage 1. Okay. All right. That was fit. Okay. Good. So then I can see they're all different directions, so we have to be careful about here because the direction is different. Anyway, this is not the same cases, but exactly I show that we fabricated before I send it to the top and bottom sites and 5,000 signature cases. This is the first step, stage 1, so we can deliver it to the dentist. So dentist try in the patient's mouth, and also they can try the wax try, and then we can make the another one. So my main point is I just educate you guys about this is an analog style, but still really good. There's another way we can make digital ways, which is I publish a lot of video as well. Now there's another says verification jig for the wax trying as well. Coming up. Alright, you have to move it, take it out. This is framework for
Let's start again.
it's going to be analog. That's it. Now this one is based on the wax try-in, just like you saw our old video. So we all the time show you guys regarding wax try-in. Now I'm going to show them one tooth and then make characterizations. Go ahead. This one is setting for the doctor, and then from his direction, and not only set the teeth from teeth alignment. So you've been using this ivory teeth. Then that one will be setting. Then try in. This is not exactly the same case, but this is another sample I would like to show you guys. Like I said, I made so many videos. It's a nice video with the characterizations and the two setting previous my YouTube video, so you can take a look at it. What I'm trying to show this one, this is our protocol. We just make sure the all 6 implant, but sometimes I don't have to put the 6 temporary cylinders if temporary cylinder implant direction is normal, so I don't have to do it. So we're using a temporary cylinder, trying to save the doctor's money. And now we just add it. Let's make sure it form. First we put the base plate underneath, set the bite block, and narrow down the teeth. And this one is finalizing about the wax try-in for almost stage 3, and to get the final zirconia prosthetic. We're going to see the final work in my video as well. See, this is a part of our step. So I have to take it out from the implant model. Just trying to make smooth. We're going to make some characteristics. So using the clear white pack, just a little bit, just underneath the teeth. Same thing, just cut it a little bit. Now this is a 101, trying to make the characteristics. And with the alcohol torch, just make it a little shiny. Okay, pretty much that's it. And then we can add a little bit more if I have to. But this is a base start for the patient's mouth. alcohol torch for that. Make the exposure of truth contours. Like that, we just showed the other side, same as the right side. Totally absolutely clean tissue. Cut it a little bit. Alright, this is kind of trying to give you the idea of using the alcohol lamp, alcohol torch like this. Finish a double-arch case. And match it up with wax try-in. Really nice color and shape and contour. Individual teeth.